Hi, I am Sandhya. Welcome to Quest for Maths channel. First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn introduction about the topic time and distance. Time and distance is one of the most important topic in an aptitude. Everyone knows that. It is important all competitive exams, especially in SBI, IBPS, PO, RRB, PO and CAT exams. In mains exams, they will ask 5 marks in data interpretation. If you want to solve all the toughest questions first, you need to be strong on basics. Firstly, time and distance categorized into three types. First one, time and distance, car, man and cycle based problems. Second one is problems on trains. Third one, boats and streams. In first type, time and distance based on car, man, cycle. Here, a car, two cars are moving same direction, or two cars are moving up in opposite direction, or two men are moving same direction, uh, and two men are moving opposite direction. Like that questions will be asked in exams. Second one, problems on trains, platform or tunnel. Suppose two trains T1, T2 are moving same direction to cross the platform or tunnel, or two trains T1, T2 are moving opposite direction to cross a platform or tunnel. These type of problems will be asked in exams. Next, boats and streams. This is completely different compared to these two topics. Let us see some of the basic problems here. Speed is equals to distance by time. We all knows that. Next, distance is equals to speed into time. Time is equals to distance by speed. So here time is inversely proportional to speed. This is very important. Must be remember this. Next, we have to see some conversions here. These conversions are very important to solve the questions. Time, distance, speed conversions. First, move on to time. 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? 60 seconds. 2 minutes, 120 seconds. 2 into 60 is equals to 120 seconds. So, when we are converting minutes to seconds, we can multiply 60. When we are converting seconds to minutes, is divided by 60. Next, 1 hour is how many minutes? 60 minutes. Next, 2 hours, 120 minutes. So, 1 hour, hours is converted to minutes is multiplied by 60. Minutes to convert hours divided by 60. These conversions are very important to solve the exams. So don't forget these, how to convert minutes to hours and hours to minutes. Next, 1 hour is equals to how many seconds? 1 hour 60 seconds, 60 minutes. Each minute having 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. Suppose 2 hours means 3600 into 2. So 7200 seconds. Like that we convert hours to seconds. These are the conversions of time. Let's move on. Distance. Distance. In distance we can represent meters or kilometers. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Only these two conversions in time and distance. Next, move on to speed. Speed conversions are very important. Here having two conversions. First one, kilometer per hour to meter per second. Second one, meter per seconds to kilometer per hour. These two conversions in speed. When we are converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, we can multiple into by 5 by 18. Suppose a car is moving 72 kilometer per hour. It converts to meter per second. 72 into 5 by 18. 18 fours, so 20 meter per second. Like this we can convert the kilometer per hour to meter per seconds. Second one, meter per seconds to kilometer per hour. Suppose a car moving 90 kilometer per second, then it converts kilometer per hour. How to convert? 90 into 80 by 5. 1 6 324 meter per kilometer per hour. Like that we convert. So here when we converting kilometers to kilometer per hour to meter per second, we can multiple 5 by 18. When we are converting meter per seconds to kilometer per hour, we can multiple 18 by 5. These two are very important. And distance, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. In meters to kilometers, 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Coming to time, when we convert minutes to seconds, we can multiple by 60. Seconds to minutes divided by 60. When we convert hours to minutes, multiple by 60. When we convert minutes to hours, divided by 60. Here time is always inversely proportional to speed. When two cars moving speed S1 30 km per hour and second car moving 20 km per hour. So speeds is equals to 30 20. How to convert in time? Time is equals to 20 is to 30 because speed always inversely proportional to time. This is very important. Next, two trains are moving same direction. We can subtract the speeds. Two trains are moving opposite direction. We can add those speeds. Next, suppose two trains, train 1 speed 20 km per hour, train 2 speed 30 km per hour. They are moving in same direction. Both speeds subtract. So 30 minus 20 is equals to 10 km per hour. Opposite direction, these speeds must be added. 30 plus 20 is equals to 50 km per hour. Next, one of the most important points, a car having a speed of 60 km per hour, it can be reduced by 20 km per hour and reduced to 20 km per hour. Reduced by means here the resultant speed is 60 minus 20 is equals to 40 km per hour. This is the resultant speed here. Here the speed is reduced from 60 to 20. So the resultant speed is 20 km per hour. So reduced by reduced to. These are the basic concept of time and distance. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.